It is, isn't it? It's going to be a Royal Caribbean.
I don't know. It looks too small.
Oh, Explorer. It's got on it on the front.
Oh, explore over the seas,
Yeah.
is it?
Yes, I could read that. I think the light was exploding.
Just to show where we are, there's the bridge up there. So we're right near the front. Bless you. Not exactly what I would call picturesque and quaint is Gran Canaria. Certainly wouldn't win any beauty competitions. And that ship there, Explorer of the Seas, with all them tubes and things on the top, that's probably one of my biggest nightmares. Wouldn't fancy that at all. So here we are, Gran Canaria. I'm back at the ship. Quite early in the morning, 9:45. The sun is beaten down already. Pretty warm. There's my lovely wife. So we're just walking from the ship down into town for a few shopping opportunities, I would imagine. I do fancy a coffee and a croissant. That will set me up for a while. This is Las Palmas, Gran Canaria. Huge beach. As you can see, the weather don't look quite so good down that end.
But this is 10 minutes from the ship.
10 minutes from the ship and it is hot. It's still
and if
hot.
you do want to just get off and come and sit on the beach for the day,
you can. Yeah.
it's massive. There's sunbeds to hire, or bring a towel, and just the sand is beautiful.
You are spot on with that. Spot on. It's quite early, so a lot of places haven't sort of opened up yet, but I think lesson learned that maybe don't come in first thing in the morning, but if you are getting off the ship, maybe sort of wait till maybe sort of midday and then come along, and it's because there's lots of market stalls are setting up, so I think it's probably a bit more buzzy and a bit more things to do and look at a bit later in the day.
And we're here till 9:30 tonight, and there are lights everywhere you can see, and I would imagine of an evening this transforms from something quite ugly, if I'm honest, to something quite spectacular, because everything would be lit up.
Yeah, and everywhere will be open as well.
Yeah.
A lot of the cafes and restaurants.
Oh, there's amazing bars and restaurants, yeah.
But most of them are shut at this time of day, so. Anyway, listen to that. I'm sure we'll be down this way again, and we'll have a lay-in on the boat and then get up a bit later and then come into town. But yeah, it's nice. As you can see, when the sun comes out, it's beaming off the old sand here. This beach is massive. It just goes on and on. Right, here we are, top of the world. Oh, out of breath, sorry. This is deck 19. Would you believe they have a putting green up here? Sports court down there. On deck 18. No one playing golf this morning. So we are in Tenerife. The sun is beating down, which is pretty nice for the 4th of November. Obviously ports are never the prettiest of places, but you can see it's a pretty dramatic landscape. That there is the P&O Azura. They've got prime spot, but probably we wouldn't have got in there anyway, so I think we're probably a bit big for that berth. That is the back end of an Aida ship there, and the red thing is one of the hydrofoil fast ferry things, I believe, that shoots between the islands. And that's the town there. So walking back to the starboard side. Had to think about it, but yeah, the starboard side. And you've got out there is a whole load of ocean. As I say, you don't get any higher than this. Deck 19. And this is the extent of deck 19, this little tiny bit we're on. Right, and now we're going right to the aft of the ship to get a better look. Ah, and there it is. The Aida Stella. That's the wake pool down there. Plenty of spare sunbeds. Plenty of spare sunbeds at the moment because it's a port day and a lot of people have gone into town. It's 10:40 in the morning. And it's pretty warm already. I think it's only going to get warmer as well. So yeah, deck 19, top of the world, Ma, top of the world. And the Azura. And there's one of the fast ferries, Fred Olsen, just going out. It'll pick up speed quite quickly in a minute, I'm sure. They'll whiz along. These are the radar things, I guess. So walking back, as you can see, berthed right next to the Aida there, and as I say, plenty of spare sunbeds this morning. It will fill up later once people have been into town and come back and want to cool off with a dip, I expect. Excuse me if the camera's wobbling a bit, but we're going downstairs. These ones are pretty steep at the back. Well, the Aida looks nice. Difficult to see the size of it because we're looking straight at the aft end. So might look it up, see what big it is. Found a fantastic free app. Just plots where every ship is in the world, and you just open it up and it will find your location, and then it will show you all the ships that are around. You just tap on a little icon, and it tells you all about the ship. Good app. I'll find the name of it and put it in the comments. The Fred Olsen Express ferries going past. Very sleek looking film. The cruise ship coming in, I'll find out the name of it in a while. Look on the app. We are moored in. It must be filling your screen now. Looks like it's white dressing gown night on that ship. So it's sort of dusk now. It's 25 to 7. Ship time, which is the same as UK time at the moment. I don't know if you can pick it out, but there's an illuminated cross right on the top of that. Up there, I don't know anything between the hill and the mountain, but it's up there. Panning round towards where the sun is setting across the other side of the hills, and there's P&O all lit up down there. I'm not sure what time they're sailing out. We're due to sail out at 9:30, so I'm not sure if they'll go before us or after us. If they go before us, I'll try and film it if I'm not in the restaurant or something like that. But yeah, it's lovely this time of the year. Still toasty warm. So we are slowly leaving Tenerife. Not live band on deck 16 up on the Lido deck for the sail away. We've just had a big meal and a few cocktails and getting a bit boring, but pretty tired after a hectic day. So we're just sitting on the balcony watching the sail away. So this, we're in cabin D146, Dolphin 146, which is deck 9, and we are very near the front end. If you just look up from our balcony, that's the bridge there. Look round there, you can see it gets to the pointy end. Beautiful cabin. It's a long walk to most places because of where we're located, but particularly if you want to go down to the aft, to Vista Lounge and Crown Grill, places like that. It's a fair old trek, but it's quite well located for the theatre, which is sort of a couple of flights down. It certainly keeps your paces up, these ships. Anyway, farewell Tenerife, until the next time.